Hello, this is the 8th session of learning technical drawing. We now work on triangle. We have already started working on triangle, but before that I want to say one thing, that when you are drawing on both the sides of the sheet, if you earlier drawn on this side and if you continue on the next side, then you need not have title blocks on both the side. Here you need not draw the title block again, or name block, whatever you may call it as. The title block is to be drawn only on one side of the drawing sheet, on the right hand side bottom corner. Now we draw a triangle of, let us say, first of all, no, we draw a circle. The triangle has to be drawn, but it has to be tangent to the given circle. So we take a circle of 25 millimeter radius. This is also quite reasonably good size. 25 millimeter radius. We draw a circle now. This is the center, and draw a vertical line, a vertical radius, you may call it as vertical radius of the circle, then 120 degree. So it will be, by using the 30-60 set square, you can directly get 120 degree this side and also 120 degree this side. So all these three are 120 degree each, all the three angles, and you making three radius. Now wherever these radiuses are there, touching the end of the radius, draw a tangent. By using 30-60 degree set square, draw a tangent to the circle. Draw another tangent from here. The tangent will be always perpendicular to the radius. So one tangent this side, another tangent this side, and third tangent perpendicular to this radius at the bottom. This will make a triangle which will be having all the sides tangent to the given circle. The given circle of radius 25 or diameter 50. This circle has a dia 50. 50 dia circle has A, B and C triangle tangent to the circle on all the three sides. Now we want to draw hexagon. The hexagon with let us say side of 30 millimeter side hexagon. If you want, whatever is the side of hexagon, you have to take that much radius and draw a circle. So take the radius of 30 millimeter and draw a circle. Light circle, not very dark. This is the center of it. Now you can either draw a horizontal diameter or a vertical diameter. If you draw a horizontal diameter, then same 30 millimeter radius, one end of the diameter, cut two arcs on the circle. From other end of the diameter, cut two arcs on the circle and join them. Join each one of these points to get a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. This has corners sideways. Now if you want corners up and down, then you have to draw diameter vertically in the circle and start from A and cut 30 mm everywhere to get the hexagon of 30 mm side. So we have to draw a circle which is of radius 30 to get the side of hexagon as 30 millimeter. The side of hexagon also you will get 30 millimeter if you take the circle of radius 30. And as I said, if you draw a horizontal diameter, then the corners of hexagon will come left side and right side. If you draw a vertical diameter, then the corners will come up and down. Now this is if the side of hexagon is known, then you take that much radius and draw a circle. If the side is not known, but distance between two straight side, parallel side is known, then how do you draw the hexagon? If the distance is, let us say, 60 millimeter, then how do you draw the hexagon? This internal angle of the hexagon is 120 degree. So if you draw a line here, totally it is 120, out of which this is 90. So how much will be this? 30 degree. So we use this knowledge. Draw a 60 mm line. Okay. Draw. This is the distance between two sides of hexagon. Okay. Now draw vertically downward line, some line. Okay, we do not know what is the length. Draw 30 degree from here, and 30 degree from here. This is 30 degree plus this is 90 degree. So this makes one side of hexagon. This is 30 degree and 90 degree. This makes another side of hexagon. Now you got two sides of hexagon. Measure that and cut here to get two more sides of hexagon. Then again from here cut two arcs to get the complete hexagon. Okay, and here we do not know what was the side of hexagon, but distance between two parallel sides was given. So draw 30 degree and get two sides, and then finish the hexagon by drawing the other sides A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the hexagon, right? When the distance between two sides is given, and here hexagon when one side length is known. Now drawing of the pentagon with 5 sides. Draw a line of, let us say, 40 millimeter, 40. Mark the midpoint of it. Line AB is equal to 40. Mark the midpoint at 20. A, B. This is 40 mm. Now draw a light line from the midpoint M and draw 54 degree from either point A or point B. Draw 54 degree. that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 54. Okay, draw a light line from point A. You can also draw from point B. To get the midpoint, take this point and A as a radius. Draw the circle. Take AB side and cut here. Similarly, cut here to get 5 sides of a pentagon. Remember, this degree is 54 degree, and with this as a center and say OA is a radius, draw the circle to get the pentagon. Each side of pentagon is equal to 40, equal to AB. So A as a center, AB as a radius, cut the arc, B as a center, BA as a radius, cut the arc, and so on to get the pentagon.